So a lot of people ask me what knot I use to connect my braid to my fluoro or mono. There's two ways to go. One, you can tie a direct connection, or two, you can tie the braid to a little ball bearing swivel and then the fluoro leader to the ball bearing swivel, which is the easiest way to go. You mitigate some line twist, but I prefer to tie direct. It's a much more seamless presentation. It's better if it gets pulled into the guides. There's less hardware in the water to spook the fish. So the knot that I like to tie is what's called a uni to uni. So I have 40-pound test braid and 40-pound test fluoro. Now the fluoro I've been using this season is the Maxima. This is 40-pound test Maxima. It ties, what I like about the Maxima is it ties very nice, very clean knots. So what I'm going to do is overlay the braid to the fluoro. I'm just going to come around over itself and just do 4 or 5 rotations over itself. I'll go more with the braid than I do the fluoro. See, now I'm just going to pull it lightly so it's forming a knot, nice even knot. Now I'm going to do the same thing with the fluoro. I'm going to go 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now I'm going to pinch. I'm going to grab the fluoro on both ends and form the knot. So that's ready to go. Now I recommend this step just to wet the knot so it jams nicely. And see, you have the 2 knots there. They're going to go in that fluoro, the butt end of that fluoro. Just going to tighten that up just a little bit. The butt end of that fluoro will meet the butt end of that braid, and the 2 will form a nice knot together. So we just need to clip those tag ends, and that's how you tie a uni to uni knot, fluoro leader to braid.